A hybrid solar system, also known as a hybrid inverter system or hybrid energy system, is a type of solar power system that combines the use of solar panels with other sources of power generation. The heart of the system is a hybrid inverter, which can switch between different sources of power for your house based on the available options, making sure that the dependency on the grid is minimal. In this video, we'll explain how a typical hybrid solar system works. Let's start with the morning. As the family wakes up and prepares for the day, there's a spike in energy usage. Solar power can't meet all of the energy demand, as sunlight is low early in the day. This shortfall will be met by power from the battery if it still has charge after its use overnight. If the battery is flat, power will be imported from the utility grid. At midday, with the sun high in the sky, solar panels work at maximum efficiency and it generates its maximum output. Meanwhile, energy needs are low as people are usually out of the house. At this time, the solar panels provide energy to run the house, and the surplus power generated is used to charge the battery bank connected to the solar system. At this time, importing power from the power grid is avoided, which tends to be expensive from midday onwards. After the battery is fully charged, the surplus power is exported to the grid. In the evening, everyone returns home, so energy use spikes. For most households, this period accounts for over half of all energy usage. Evenings are when solar battery storage is most valuable. Since the sun is low, solar power is not available at this time. So instead of buying power at pricey evening peak rates, the home can draw power from the solar battery, which is already full. At night, the energy required to run the house is taken from the solar battery. If the battery runs out, grid power can be imported to meet the home's needs. If the utility's off-peak electric rates are low enough, it might be economical to charge the batteries with grid power as well. This might be helpful in rainy seasons and cloudy climates when the solar panels cannot work at full efficiency. To summarize, a hybrid solar system intelligently switches between using solar power, battery storage, and grid power. It allows you to avoid using grid power at peak prices, leading to bill savings. There is strong demand for hybrid solar systems across the country because they can provide backup power when the grid is down. iNVERGY, powered by FuelON, safe, smart, and sustainable energy storage solution. With the precise expertise in solar hybrid power conditioning units, PCUs, by iNVERGY, along with the integrated technical knowledge and state-of-the-art manufacturing capability of FuelON in lithium storage batteries, we bring in the energy storage solutions to maximize self-reliance on your energy needs in this ever-evolving world. Solutions to maximize the usage of our eco-power produced from renewable sources around the clock. A one-stop solution that gives you a glimpse of the sustainable future. For more information, visit us at www.n3tech.com, www.invergypowersupply.com, and contact us at info@an3tech.com.